Let's do all the things super fast. CC cream is my favorite, covers like a dream. Highlight, contour, I like sticks and concealers, just blend it all out. I do like to set everything with powder, but that's probably because I'm oily, so that's why I do this step. Blush, always because I want to look very feminine and pretty. Highlight, because I want the astronauts to see me. I'm digging this orange lipstick. I hadn't worn it since fall, but digging it. So brows, I line the bottom, line the top, fill in. Yeah. Oh, look, forgot a piece. Messed up. Let's just conceal that. Let's hide that. Conceal the sins. Perfect. Now, let's do eyeshadow. I like transition and then blend. Blend literally until your arm about falls off, and then you can do a lid color. You can add a little highlight in the middle, highlight on the outside, blend a little more until you get your desired look, right? I always do under eye also just to hide those wrinkles. I like an ink liner. This one was brown. White for waterline, black for waterline. Lashes, all the lashes, like I want to blow away the haters. This is the double lash extend. It has volume and length. Perfect.